Thank you everybody for joining. I'd like to welcome you to my presentation today, where I speak about high voltage filter design using simulations. And this is a presentation actually in a series. So during this month of June and in the beginning of July, we have a series of 3 different webinars. Today we discuss really a design, how to use the simulation during the design of a product. So this will be the topic for today. And again, in 2 weeks, we will talk more on a system level where a system has been already assembled and how the systems can be tested in the simulation. So for today's design, I have called it a high voltage filter design because that's of course much more challenging than designing something for a smaller scale. However, overall, the whole process can be repeated for all type of inverters, basically. So everything which drives an inverter, which drives a motor, this is what is the background idea, or this is the product for which we designed the filter in today's presentation. Of course, in a high voltage vehicle, the filter typically needs to be larger simply because we have a larger motor and a higher current rating of the whole system. But the methodology and the way we use the simulation will be also applicable to much smaller filters, which are also required because EMC is not only for the big power motors. You have to also make sure that your conducted and radiated emission are satisfied also for smaller motors, like for example for pumps or maybe in a household for using for shutter motors and so on. So not only for the high power, also for the low power motors, a very similar approach can be used.